Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to another video on our channel $1 Billion iTech. In today's video, I will take you guys through 5 Chrome extensions that will help you in your studies. If you're interested, stay tuned and let's get started. The first Chrome extension is Visor. If you are someone who reads very fast and accidentally skips important information, then this Visor app is for you. Visor is a screen dimmer and reading aid meant to help you reduce eye strain as well as increase your concentration while reading. Plus, as the name suggests, the extension also triggers a movable highlighted part. You can slide across articles to focus special attention only to parts of the text. This extension decreases the chance that you will skip lines and miss the points of a text you are reading, because it encourages you to focus on text gradually. As a result, you can focus more clearly on what you're reading. Visor gives you the ability to set how many lines you want to be able to read at once. You can adjust the size of the visor to increase or decrease the amount of the text you will focus your attention on in one go. I'll recommend this to reading at night just to reduce eye strain. The next great Chrome extension for students is Dualless. While doing assignments or homework research, it's quite annoying to switch between tabs or windows. Even if you manually split the window and adjust it, it wastes a lot of time and you lose momentum and focus from your studies. So the solution to this, Dualless, was introduced. Dualless gives you several ratios to choose from. You can split screen horizontally or vertically instantly, and the one I'm using is 50-51. Now you can read an article and type notes at the same time. A wonderful solution for students or other users to split their screen with just one click. The next wonderful Chrome extension is Reader View. If you ever come across a page where text is very hard to read because a lot of distraction from ads, images or videos, also is quite annoying most of the time you're working on your final year project and trying to concentrate, but all these annoying irrelevant images, videos or ads pop up to distract and you lose focus. A good solution to this is Reader View, which will eliminate all these irrelevant contents like images, ads, videos, so you can just focus on your reading. Creative, right? It doesn't stop here. You can change the font size of the content and you can make it bigger and smaller. Also, you can change the content to full width or center reading mode. The most important feature that I like to use a lot, to change the background color to dark, groove or solarized mode at night time, so it doesn't hurt your eyes, especially if you're reading at night time. The fourth ND extension is Memorize. If you're someone who has hard time to memorize important notes about your exam or history subject and be able to study while browsing distracting websites, then this is must-have extension that you should have. Memorize is lightweight extension that helps you to memorize given answers to given questions. It is a lightweight application that helps you to remember extensive amount of boring information. Here is how it works. You enter a list of questions and answers in the following format. You can choose when it should ask a question every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 40 minutes based on your preferences with interval set for questions. So even if you are busy browsing different tabs, you can still type your answer. And if you type wrong answer, it will start to give you partial suggestion for the answer until you correctly answer it. The final most useful extension is Viva Highlighter. Viva is a Chrome extension that allows you to highlight PDFs and websites with any color you would like. Viva is a workspace for your research and studies,
offering tools that help you to highlight, organize, annotate, and manage research. Drag your mouse across paragraph that you would like to highlight. Then pick the color you want on the highlighter pop-up. The best part is that you can highlight the same kind of research notes under same color for later easy accessibility. The next good thing is that it lets you organize your work by creating different folders subject-wise. So you can easily search and cite this work later. It doesn't stop here. It also allows you to share your highlighted information to your group mates if you are working on a group project. Too many times I have gone to a page and looked for an information or statistics and forgot to save them, but Viva solves this problem. This is definitely a tool that I recommend for those of you who have to do a lot of research projects. The final and the bonus extension is the AdBlock. If you are not using it yet, please do so. It helps you to block all the annoying ads from YouTube and other websites and saves you a lot of time. Hola!
I hope you guys find this video informative. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. See you in the next one.